Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
What's up, hustlers? You know it's your favorite country cousin, JT. Man, it's the Christmas time, and I am going to teach my daughter, because she's 8, and just like every other 8-year-old, she wants toys, that she can not only be a consumer, she must also create value in this world. So I'm going to go invest in a 3D printer, and today is going to be awesome. In this video, what we going to do?
Unboxing a 3D player.
A 3D player?
I forgot how it called.
It's a 3D printer. It's the Christmas season. A lot of people buying toys and stuff for their kids because we know Santa Claus not real.
It is.
Maybe we don't. But why don't we make our own toy? Ta-da! Do you know what this does?
Yes.
What does it do?
Like 3D toys and stuff.
3D toys?
Yeah, and it make earrings too.
It make earrings?
Yeah, look at the box. Step 1, you need to put it like the thing out, and step 2, you need like screw it in a thing. I don't know, like a cable. But step 3, you need to use your phone. Step 4, you need to put the lines in to make a toy. And then step 5, you need to clip.
We're gonna show the people. They can zoom in.
Huh?
You read it perfectly. That's exactly what it says. If you're looking for a great gift idea, consider getting your family a copy of Math, Make a Million First, financial literacy board game. It'll teach them how to make $1 million in the real world without debt, no matter if they have a job, they're in the military, they're an entrepreneur, or they're an investor. To get your Math board games, already down in the description below. Where does the power cable go?
It's go right there.
Yep. Goes in nice and firm right there. Flip this around. So we put the charger on it. So I gotta connect my phone to it. It's step 3.
A few moments later.
While we're doing this, tell the people about you.
I am gymnastics, and I like to paint, and I like to cartwheels and stuff, handstands. I like to do round-up, and I like to paint a lot. I like do Christmas activities.
So that goes there. Okay, so this is the stuff that is going to make the toy. This is plastic. Feel it right there? Okay, so let me explain to you what's going to happen. This thing right here is going to get really hot. It's going to melt this plastic. And it's going to draw on this black plate. And then it's going to dry. And then that's how it's going to make a toy. Okay? So it's going to melt the plastic, draw with it. It's going to cool on the other side. And then we're going to have a masterpiece. Or a
A
masterpiece.
few moments later.
We're trying it again. Print it again. This how we gonna get rich. I ain't asked you what you had. We about to start making toys. What kind of toys? We gonna make a Barbie doll. We ain't gonna call it Barbie doll though. We gonna call it something better. Says it's done. I'm gonna take a picture of it just in case it breaks. And we'll insert a picture of what it looks like. But yeah. We got some work to do. Would you like a toy? Okay, I got a quiz question. How many toys you want?
For Christmas?
No, not for no Christmas. How many toys you want?
1.
Okay, I got one question for you. If you get it right, we gonna leave here and go to the store and I'm gonna get you any toy. If you get it wrong, don't say nothing. Tell me how this thing works.
When it print?
Yup.
Okay. You said it will burn, it will melt like thing.
It melt what thing? What is it melt?
Is it melt like the plastic?
What plastic? Touch what is melting. Just touch it. Don't pull it. Just touch it. Okay, it's melting there. Okay, let it go. I just touch it. Don't grab it, dang. Just touch it. Okay. So, alright. So, it's melting there, and then what it's doing?
And then it's gonna print off a keychain, and then you gotta click the button, and so you can print it. Then and you get to I forgot the word how to say it.
No, let's start over then. Okay. So how it works?
You get to print the plastic, and it will melt, and the plastic will melt, and then will print a keychain, and you can make any toy with it. You press this button to click on the toy, and it's not a problem. You just fix it, and the end.
I don't know if that's the right answer.
That is.
I ain't understand that. That was very confusing.
You do say that.
Yeah, but you ain't said it clear. It wasn't clear. Okay, you gotta say it more clear. Did y'all understand that?
No.
They said they didn't understand it.
Okay, I'll say it.
Okay, say it simple so they can understand, so other little kids can understand how to make toys. Okay, this is a 3D printer. And how does the 3D printer work?
It will work because you plug it in into that white piece, and then you plug it in there, and then you put...
Hold on, you plug what in well? What are you talking about? We plug the power cable in, and then we plug that into the outlet, and then what else got plugged in?
And like...
Just touch it. Don't pull it. Just touch it with one finger. One finger. Okay, what's that?
The plastic
Mm-hmm.
that's how print the keychain, and then when it's done, you take it out. But is it too hot? You just take it out with a spatula, and then you can make any toy with that Barb doll or SpongeBob, and you will get your own toy.
That might be all right. I'm gonna have you do the honors. You're gonna mash that orange button.
Right?
Yep. And now it is doing its calibration.
A few moments later.
What we have so far is this. So this is the quality calibration test. I don't know if it should be a disc. Put it on the table. Show them on the camera first. Hold it up. So yes, so that's what you get. Let me hold that. Let me hold that other piece. This is what we get. So far, to be honest with you, here's my review of the 3D printer for toy box.